How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS devices. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Head towards the settings icon. Over here you will find different options. Scroll down. Go to this option of account settings. Now over here you will find different sections. Scroll down. Under security section you can find the option of security and login. Open that option. Now over here you will find this section for where you are logged in. Tap on this option of see more. From here you can see where you are logged in. All the devices will appear over here. Now to log out from your Messenger, all you have to do is tap on this option of log out of all sessions. Tap on this option log out. With that, you will log out of your Messenger account. So this is how you can log out of Messenger on Android and iOS devices. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.